Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, today is World Coffee Day. Let us celebrate by making 3 types of coffee: Dalgona coffee, hot chocolate coffee, and cappuccino. Ingredients: whole fat milk, instant coffee powder, cocoa powder, sugar. Starting with Dalgona coffee and cappuccino. So I am adding 4 tablespoons of instant coffee powder in a mixing bowl, followed by sugar 4 tablespoons, now gently mix the ingredients. Now let us add a little water to the bowl and start whisking it. Here I have used 4 tablespoons of instant coffee powder and 4 tablespoons of sugar for making cappuccino and Dalgona coffee together. But if you would prefer to make it individually, you could just use only 2 spoons of instant coffee powder and 2 spoons of sugar for each. Keep whisking it until it turns creamy and fluffy. This will take about less than 10 minutes. Now it's the perfect consistency. It should look like this. Let us start with Dalgona coffee. Drop some ice cubes in a glass. Let us pour some chilled milk. It should be only 3/4 of the glass. Now let us add the fluffy coffee cream to the glass. It starts floating. It's very simple and easy to prepare. And that's it. Our Dalgona coffee is ready to serve. Now let us start with cappuccino. But before that, let us see how to make a heart-shaped stencil for cappuccino to add a layer on topping. Let us cut a small cardboard into a round shape. I have used the circumference of the glass which I am going to use. Now gently fold this cardboard into half. Draw your desired shape. I am drawing heart and symbol. The sizes of your choice. I am going to cut the smaller heart and symbol. And it looks like this. Now let us see how to make cappuccino. Take a glass and start adding the coffee fluffy cream. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of it. It has to be filled 1/4 of the glass. Now pour hot frothy milk into the mug. It should be only 3/4 of it. Now you can gently stir. Now you could add a little more frothy milk for the topping. Now place the heart-shaped stencil which we had made earlier upon the glass and gently sprinkle some coffee powder on the stencil and gently remove the stencil. Now our delicious cappuccino is ready. Now let us prepare hot chocolate coffee. So we are going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to 2 tablespoons of sugar in a bowl. Add 2 spoons of instant coffee powder. Now add little water and mix them well. Start stirring it and make sure there are no lumps formed. Now our chocolate syrup is ready in no time. So let's get started. Now let us decorate our serving glass with some chocolate syrup. Place the glass in freezer for about 5 minutes for the chocolate syrup to get set. You can also use any other chocolate syrup if you have. And it looks like this. After 5 minutes, remove the glass from the freezer. Now let us add the chocolate syrup to the bottom of the glass. Now pour some hot milk to the glass and stir them, and our hot chocolate coffee is ready. Hopefully you all will celebrate the World Coffee Day with any of these delicious coffee recipes and enjoy. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support, and also check out my other videos.